welcome to Ellis Mowers. Yet another product review. This one's from CoMokin. They sent me a double bread box. It does come not assembled, so we do have to put it together. Again, another good kitchen item. They sent along with the plastic roll, aluminum foil container, and then a container to hold your plastic bags and stuff in. So all these kind of complement each other. Made out of bamboo, and we're going to get this thing assembled, show you how it works, and throw some bread in it. So again, I'll link this in the description below. The videos that also dropped on the same day, if you want those to complement this, you can see them in my product review video. So let's go ahead and get started with this, assembling it, and see what it looks like. So I'm in here, about to assemble everything here, and it looks pretty self-explanatory. Got all your parts and stuff in here as well, and they even give you a screwdriver. So you can use that screwdriver, use a regular screwdriver, and those are all your parts. Your assembly instructions are on the back. Looks like we start by putting the screw the handles on, then we screw certain things on. I'll go step by, kind of hit the highlights on the assembly process, and we'll show the final product here in a second. This is going pretty well so far. One thing I do want to note is that it does say piece A, C, and stuff like that. There are no letters on these pieces, so you have to be mindful of that. But it's really not too. Every piece is different except for the two side pieces, and even those are different because the left one has this thing provisioned for a handle on the side. So just make sure with the screw holes and whatnot. That's the biggest thing I've run into so far. I've just got to put the hinges back on. We even got a little bitty knife here. Check that thing out. And a screwdriver. I guess it's better than nothing, but I ended up having to upgrade to a bigger screwdriver just to expedite the process. I'll put the doors on, just the hinges here, and we'll throw some bread in it. Alright, it's all together. The hinges weren't too bad to put on. Got the little magnets on there so it stays in. They're not too strong, so you don't have to like forcefully open it in order to get it right. Again, about what you expect from China, but it serves its purpose. So the knife, actually, what you do is you take the knife and go under it easily right here, and you have to take this peeling off of the glass so that you have a clear bread box here, so that you can see what you got inside it. So I'm going to get this peeling off, and we'll display it and put some bread in it and see what we got. So here we got it in the kitchen. When I did peel the plastic wrap off, what it is, I took a knife and just went around the edges after I went off camera. You can see there is some residue that you'd have to get off with like WD-40 or something along those lines. Should get it off because it's just a little bit of sticky residue. There's the inside of everything. And I have some bread we'll put in there. So again, I just got a regular loaf of commercial bread, and it'll pop right in there. You can put two loaves in there actually because it's so deep. Top side, probably can fit this on the top too. You can fit probably two of them on the top, or you can fit that on the bottom. And then if you make a mower sale or two, like what this channel is about, and you have some dough, you can throw it in there too. So multi-purpose. Pretty deep though. Like I said, it'll hold many dollars worth of bread because it's nice and deep, and bamboo and all that good stuff. So doesn't take up a ton of counter space if you want somewhere to put your bread that's not in the cabinet. So we'll wrap this video up next. Alright guys, so that's the conclusion of this video. Again, a little bit of sticky residue we got to get off still. And again, the quality got a little bit of flex and bend, but you're not going to be throwing this thing around like a football. It's not a toy. Opening and closing, you know, a bread box does what it needs to do. So if you want it, links in the description below. Thank you, CoMokin, for sending me this, along with a couple other household appliances. I guess they saw me doing some housework in some of my earlier videos and figured that it would complement my new kitchen pretty well. So thank you all again for watching all the product reviews, really, and thank you for the companies like CoMokin for reaching out. If you would like for me to review a product that is lawn and garden or home related, feel free to reach out to me, Ellis at ellismowers.com or at ellismowers09 on Instagram and Facebook. Catch you on the next one. Take care.